If there's one dish you gotta make this winter and holiday season, it's my beef short rib pasta. The recipe starts with my easy and delicious red wine braised short ribs. We do these in the Instant Pot. We're working smarter, not harder. We're gonna sear those with some fresh veggies, red wine, bone broth for extra nutrients and flavor, and some fresh aromatics. We cook those on high pressure for about 60 minutes until they're falling off the bone tender. Now it's time to work on the sauce, which incorporates fresh aromatics, heavy cream, that short rib jus, and a blend of Italian cheeses. We mix and we toss that pasta in that delicious sauce, top it with more Parmesan and that shredded short rib, and y'all, this is absolutely delicious. You can find both recipes in my new e-cookbook, Fall in Love with Cooking Part 2. Comment yes cookbook and I'll send you the link.